Hello students, this is Johnson handling 7th Standard Biology, Chapter 3, Kingdom Classification 2. In this session you will learn about the following learning objectives are classification of vertebrates or chordates. In this classification of vertebrates, it contains 5 subclasses. Yes, in this video you are going to learn about first two classes, class Pisces, class Amphibia. Classification of vertebrates. Yeah. Classification of vertebrates or chordates. Chorda is a string. Yes. Here vertebrate means those who here vertebrate means animal have backbone. Animal have distinct backbone, that is called vertebrates or chordates. Yes, of course. Chordata is the most advanced group of animals. The group of chordates involves animals with a distinct backbone. Yes. How it is backbone? The backbone is made up of several small bones called vertebrae. Yes. Here the long chain look like a long chain, and also the bones are small bones are joined to one another. The small bones called vertebrae that join to form vertebral column. Yes, it is an vertebral column. These animals have well developed a nervous system with a brain that controls all their body functions. Yeah, because of in this vertebrate, yes, because of classification of vertebrates, it contains several systems in right manner, among correct manner. The first system of nervous system with brain. In brain, it controls all the activities of the functions of the body with the help of nerve cell. They have a closed circulatory system with blood flowing in the blood vessels to different organs of the body. Yes, here circulatory system from heart it connect, and also two valves are involved here. Two valves are involved here, arteries and veins. It both can the blood circulate to other part of the body, again from the other part of the body to heart. It is a closed circulatory system. About 55,000 species of this group are known today. Yes, there are 55,000 species of this group are known today. Yeah, you can see this both picture. The first picture of brain and attached to the spinal cord or vertebral cord. Here, now see this picture. Both picture we can observe the first picture of this nervous system, and also the nervous system along with cerebral and central nervous system. In this picture, we can clearly observe the nervous system. It is composed of some nerves and main of brain and spinal cord, and nerves entire body is covered, and also messages from brain to other parts of the body, from other parts of the body to brain. It can work easily. Brainstem and spinal cord and spinal nerves all are arranged in a vertebral column. And that circulatory system of a horse, it is a closed circulatory system. How it is look like a human like arranged in a horse. Yes, Sam. The closed circulatory system of a horse. You can see this picture: heart and lungs, kidney, liver, and blood vessels to large intestine, and also the bloods are from heart to other parts of the body, again some other parts of the body to the heart, with the help of arteries and vein. With the help of arteries and vein. The first subclass of class Pisces, it includes in the classification of vertebrae. The first subclass of Pisces, the marine fishes with completely cartilaginous endoskeleton. Yes, so this class mainly focus on marine fishes, and also the bones are endoskeleton with attachment of cartilaginous muscles with bone internal inside of the animal body. They are generally large in size, up to 10 to 20 meters long. Yes, they have a smooth streamlined body that is narrow at front and rear end, covered with scales. Yes, streamlined body structure, the very smooth in nature of the body. The body front and rear end, front and back, covered with the scales. Yes, the entire body structure is covered with scales. Respiration through gills. Yes, they have fins for locomotion, swimming, and balance. So fins used for traveling and also move from one place to another inside the water. The fins are used for locomotion and balance. Heart is two-chambered. Heart is here, two-chambered heart. These are cold-blooded animals, so they change their body temperature according to the temper temperature of their surroundings. Yes. Now we can see the endoskeleton. With a cartilaginous endoskeleton, the skeleton are arranged inside the body with the muscles, along with the muscles. Muscles with the bone are completely and compact of the body structure. You can see this picture, easily understand the vertebral column, the small segment, it is called vertebrae. This small bone joined to another small bone, it finally vertebral column, along with the muscles. Now see this picture of the fish, how to respire. The fish respire with gills. Yes, the fish respire with gills. This opening, first picture, opening of the portion is called operculum. Now see this picture, the first picture of gills, that part it is an operculum. What happening here? The water contain dissolved oxygen when the gills are used to respire. When that time it will take oxygen, take inside and given out of the body of that gills. So this time the fishes are, it can respire. It can respire. Now see this picture of this. Now see this picture of internal parts of the body of an animal, especially in fish: nostril, brain, spinal cord, and swim bladder, dorsal fin, adipose fin, and come to that operculum. The help for that it covered inside the gills and kidney, heart and liver, stomach, intestine, gonad, and anus, anal fin, urinary bladders. Same look like an human body. So this vertebrate of this animal subclass of Pisces and subclass of Pisces. So these are the parts it contain in vertebrates animal. And second class of amphibia. Here amphi means dual role life, that means land and live, that means live land and water. It includes frogs, toads, newts and salamanders. They live land but lay their eggs in water. Yes, amphibians are vertebrates that live to two leaves. These animals live partly. These animals live partially. And next point, these animals live partly in fresh water and partly on land, moist places. Yes. Skin is smooth or rough, moist, slimy, glandular, and mostly without scale. Scales here absent, and body has a distinct head and trunk and has no neck. Mouth is usually large. Yes, for this example of frog, we can see that animal. We can not separate off head and trunk region. We cannot see the neck region, but mouth is large. Because of that adaptation, it can develop. Next point, three-chambered heart has two auricles and one ventricle, double circulation through the heart. Yes, here three-chambered heart in amphibia, two auricles and one ventricle from the heart of the breast, from heart to other parts of the internal. The next point, class amphibia, three-chambered heart, two auricles and one ventricle, double circulation through the heart, double circulation through the heart, respiration either by gills, lungs, skin or mouth lining. Yes, here respiration is different in manner, maybe with the help of gills and lung and skin, and mouth of lining. Oviparous. Next point, oviparous lay yolk-laden eggs with gelatinous covering, usually in water. Yes, here this class of the animal laying the eggs with an yolk. It covered that yolk of the eggs with some substance of gelatinous covering, usually in water. It can have the substance to help for the eggs or freeze in manner. So it will retain of the inside of the yolk substance. It will germinate and also grow and develop for several days, and it can mature. It can maybe develop all the internal organs. It break that gelatinous covering layer and come outside of the and break it out the covering and mix in water and live freely. A last point of that, fertilization is external in frogs and toads, but internal in salamanders, abada, but internal in salamanders and apoda. Yes, metamorphosis is present. Metamorphosis is mean the complete of the life cycle from the birth to adult. That is called that metamorphosis. Some of the examples of this class: frog, toads. So both animals are look like a same in manner, but the some morphology characters are different. How the skin and animal structure of the body. That's next one, newts and salamander. Both these animals under that class of amphibia. Yes, the metamorphosis means the fertilized egg, and finally the embryo it can develop. And what happened here, external gills for breathing and tail keeps on growing. You can see the tadpole larva, and finally hind legs, and finally the webbed feet is formed and tails are appear. The front legs are formed and tails are become shorter, and the tails are disappeared and tails are disappeared, detached from the body, and finally adult frog. So these completely cycle we have said that metamorphosis in this class of amphibia. So thank you students. We will discuss in the new chapter in the next class. Thank you.